हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हाउ आर यू। आई एम शरद कौर। आप सभी का आज के वर्चुअल क्लास में स्वागत करता हूँ। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू कंटिन्यू द सिक्स्थ लेक्चर ऑफ दिस chapter. Name of the chapter that is inside the atom. It is a very lengthy chapter, बहुत बड़ा चैप्टर है। Therefore we are going to study very स्टेप बाय स्टेप। हम बहुत स्टेप बाय स्टेप स्टडी कर रहे हैं। देयरफॉर वी हैव टू मेक और 2 लेक्चर्स ऑन इट। इस पे और 2-3 लेक्चर हम कंडक्ट करेंगे। टुडे इज द सिक्स्थ लेक्चर वी आर गोइंग टू कंडक्ट ऑन दिस चैप्टर। इसी चैप्टर पे हम आज 6th लेक्चर वर्चुअल क्लास कंडक्ट कर रहे हैं। इन दिस वर्चुअल क्लास वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न दैट इज द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स अकॉर्डिंग टू ऑर्बिट or according to shape. I think in the 4th virtual class we have discussed about Niels Bohr stable or model of stable orbit model. Niels Bohr का हमने एटॉमिक मॉडल जो स्टडी किया है। दिस एटॉमिक मॉडल Bohr stated that atom has specific orbits. Atom has shells having in the form of concentric circles, and each orbit has specific energy capacity. Each orbit का energy capacity fix होता है। Each orbit has definite number of electrons. Each orbit का electrons capacity जो होता है वो भी fix होता है, constant होता है, definite होता है। Then while electrons jumping from inner orbit to outer orbit, that time electrons absorb the energy, electron receives the energy. But how much the energy received by the electron? It is calculated by the differences between the energy level of the 2 orbits or 2 shells. 2 shells के जो एनर्जी लेवल होता है, दोनों सेल्स के एनर्जी लेवल का डिफरेंस मीन्स द एनर्जी एब्सॉर्ब बाय दैट इलेक्ट्रॉन व्हाइल जंपिंग फ्रॉम इनर ऑर्बिट टू आउटर ऑर्बिट। नाउ वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अबाउट द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ बोर। बोर स्टेटेड इट इज अ सेंट्रल पार्ट, वी कॉल इट न्यूक्लियस, and the orbit which is nearest to the nucleus. Suppose it is the nucleus, it is positive charge, a nucleus है positive charge है, and the orbit which is nearest to the nucleus is the first orbit, and first orbit is denoted by the symbol K. जो first orbit जो nucleus को बहुत क्लोज होता है, the orbit nearest to the nucleus is called first orbit and it is denoted by K. Now the orbit after the K or the next orbit after the first orbit के बाद जो orbit आएगा that orbit is the second orbit and this orbit is denoted by L. Second orbit denoted by L. Then third orbit next to L orbit और L shell के बाद जो भी it is also called as shell. I think shell is the word we have given, it has given in your textbook. You can also call it orbit or you can also call it shell. The shell after L or next to L is called as M shell. M shell next to M has N shell. N shell means these are the sequentially K, L, M, N are the order or the sequence of the shells, and each shell has definite energy. Each shell have the definite number of electrons. Electrons revolve around the orbit in the specific shells. Okay. If we want to find how much the maximum electron capacity of each shell, we have a formula. According to that formula, we can find the maximum electron capacity of particular shells. किसी कौन से सेल में कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन कैपेसिटी है, if we want to calculate it, we have a formula, and that formula 2n square, and this n is equal to number of shell or the number of orbit. As sequentially if we saw, K is the first shell, N is the second shell, M is the third shell, and N is the fourth shell. You have a chart on the page number 32 in your textbook that the shell, then second, that is number of shell is denoted by N, then electron capacity, maximum electron capacity of cell, electron capacity of each cell means number of electrons, we have a formula that is 2n square, and n represent करता है the number of shells. If we want to find the number of maximum electron or the maximum electron capacity of K shell, and how, or we want to find the how many number of electrons included in K. K is the first orbit, K is the first shell, therefore number is equal to 1. Then what is the formula? That is 2n square. 2n square means 2 into n for 1, 2 into 1 square. 2 into 1 square, 1 square is equal to 1. 2 into 1 means how many number of electrons are present in K shell, or what is the maximum electron capacity of K shell? That is 1. Second shell, that is L. Number of L shell has 2. By using formula 2n square is 2 into 2 square. Okay. Tell me the number of maximum electron capacity of shell L, or how many electrons are included in the shell L. Number of shell L, that is 2. Formula, we substitute the value of n. 2 into 2 square, what is the square of 2? That is 4, and 4 into 2 means the number of electrons in case L shell has 8, or the maximum electron capacity of L shell is 8. Then next shell KLM, what is the number of M? That is third, means by denoted by 3. Now substitute the value 2 into 3 square. Tell me the maximum number of electrons in the M shell, or maximum electron capacity of M shell. 3 square, that is 9. 9 into 2, 18. Maximum electron capacity of M shell is 18. Next to M, that is N shell. N shell. What is the number of N? N shell. It is the fourth shell. It is the fourth orbit. Therefore, we have to write 4. Now substitute the value here in this formula. 2 into 4 square. 2 into 4 square. Tell me the maximum electron capacity of N shell, or how many electrons are included in N shell. N shell में कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हो गए? 4 square, that is 16, and 16 into 32. Therefore, maximum electron capacity of M shell is 32. You will ask the chart for filling the brackets. आपको एग्जाम के लिए चार्ट आ सकता है. Complete the brackets. Some fill blanks you have given there. You have given the formula. You must know the sequence of the shells. N is the number of orbit or number of shell. You have to must know the formula. Finding the formula, that is 2n square. Okay. Now next means we have seen that the electron capacity of each cell, that is sequentially if we want to find the electron capacity, that is sorry यहाँ पे wrong हो गया है. Sorry, 1 square 1 and 2 into 1, that is maximum electron capacity of A shell is 2. I had written here 1, it is wrong. 1 square 1 and this one multiplied by 2 means we get the maximum electron capacity of A shell, that is 2. Now 2, 8, 18 and 32 are the sequentially electron capacity of shell K, L, M and N respectively. Okay. Also you have a chart on the page number 33. Very simple. Suppose any atom has 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, मीन्स सपोज किसी भी कुछ कोई एटम है, इट हैज 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, तो फर्स्ट ऑर्बिट और फर्स्ट शेल ऑफ दैट एटम हैज कैपेसिटी ऑफ फर्स्ट शेल ऑफ दैट एटम हैज ओनली 2. देयरफॉर रिमेनिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन गोज टू नेक्स्ट शेल. ओके. देखो पेज नंबर 32 यू हैव पेज नंबर 32 पे आपको राइट हियर द इलेक्ट्रॉन कैपेसिटी K 2 L 8 and 18 and N, that is 32. These are the maximum electron capacity of orbits or shells respectively. Now next chart on the page number 33 पेज पे आपको एक चार्ट दिया है. You can fill it. I write on the board atom, electronic configuration is the topic. Electronic configuration. Electronic configuration of elements according to shape. Okay. First one, name of the atom. Second, symbol of that atom. Third one, that is electrons, number of electrons. Number of electrons, then configuration or distribution, according to K, L and N. and electronic configuration. Electronic configuration. Now, step by step we are going to complete the chart. First, that is hydrogen. Second, helium. Third, lithium. Fourth, carbon. Fifth, nitrogen. Oxygen, fluorine. Next, neon. Sodium, chlorine, argon, and last one, that is bromine. Now we are going to fill this chart. As per shape, as per orbit, देखो, each orbit has specific number of electron capacity. Each orbit has definite energy capacity. Now we have given the atomic number, symbols. Symbol of hydrogen H, symbol of helium He, symbol of lithium Li, symbol of carbon C, symbol of nitrogen is N, symbol of oxygen O, symbol of fluorine capital F, symbol of neon Ne, symbol of sodium, that is Na. Why Na? Because the Latin name of sodium is nitron. Fluorine Cl, argon Ar, and bromine, that is Br. These are the symbols. Now we have given the atomic numbers. Atomic number of hydrogen is 1, helium has 2, lithium has 3, carbon has 6, nitrogen 7, oxygen 8, fluorine, that is 9, neon 10, sodium 11, fluorine, that is 17, and argon 18, and that is 35. Okay, now hydrogen has atomic or number of electrons in hydrogen is 1, therefore it has only 1 electrons in K shell, means remaining shells are empty, and K shell is also incompleted. Why K shell is also incompleted? Because the maximum electron capacity of K shell is 2. Therefore, K shell only contains 2 electrons, remaining shells are empty. What is the electron configuration of hydrogen? That is only 1. Now, helium has 2 electrons, and means K shell is completed only, because the number of electron capacity of K shell is 2, means the helium has completed its K orbit or K shell, therefore it is a inert gas or neutral orbit. Electron configuration 2. Now next, that is lithium. What is the atomic number of electrons in lithium? That is 3. Now we cannot write 3 here. Why we cannot write 3 in the K? Because the maximum electron capacity of K shell is only 2. Therefore K shell only contains 2 electrons, and we have 3 electrons in lithium. Therefore 1 electron remains, and that electron goes to next shell. Therefore, 2k electron has two maximum electron. K shell has two maximum electron capacity and remaining electron lies in L shell. Therefore, what is the electron configuration of lithium? 2, 1. Okay, is it clear? Next, carbon. Carbon, atomic number of carbon as 6. Then how can you distribute? How can you divide? First, k orbit has 2 electrons. Remaining 4 electrons lies in दोनों का एडिशन 6. Means what is the electron configuration of carbon? That is 2, 4. Next, nitrogen. You can write yourself. Nitrogen has 7 atomic. Nitrogen has 7 electrons. Therefore, 2 in the first k orbit and 5 lie in the L orbit or L shell. Therefore, the electronic configuration of nitrogen is 2, 5. Then next, oxygen has 8 electrons. Maximum electron capacity of k orbit is 2. Means remaining 6 electrons lies in L orbit. These are the empty. What is the electron capacity of oxygen or electron configuration of oxygen? That is 2, 8. Next, fluorine 9. 2 in the first shell and 7 in the L shell. Remaining shells are incompleted. Electronic configuration, that is 2 and 7. Now neon, atomic number is 10 or number of electrons in neon are 10. First orbit K has 2 electrons and L has 8 electrons. Means electron capacity of 8. L shell has 8 means it has filled it or it is completed by L shell at neon. Neon केवल neon के लिए L shell is completed. Therefore, electronic configuration 2, 8. Now, sodium number of electrons are 11. First shell has 2 electrons. Second, maximum capacity of 8. We cannot write 9 here. 9 plus 2 11. But we cannot write 9 in this because the maximum electron capacity of L shell has only 8. Therefore, we can write here 8. 8 plus 2, 10. Means 1 electron is remains here and that 1 electron goes to next shell and that shell. And what is the electron configuration of sodium? Electronic configuration of sodium, that is 2, 8, 1. Okay. Now, next, that is fluorine has electron capacity, number of electrons 17. We can write 2 electrons in K shell, 8 electrons in L shell. 8 plus 2 means 10 electrons. Means remaining 7 electrons lie in the M shell. What is the electron configuration of fluorine? Electronic configuration of fluorine, that is 2, 8, 7. Now, next that is argon. Number of electrons in argon are 18. We can write here 2 electrons in the K shell, 8 electrons in the L shell, and 8 plus 2, 10 is remaining 8 electrons in the M shell. Therefore, electronic configuration is 2, 8. Next, that is bromine, and bromine has how many electron capacity of bromine? 35. Okay. Then you can write first K shell has only 2 maximum electron capacity. L shell has only 8 maximum electron capacity. 8 plus 2, how many electrons? That is 10. Now next shell M, and what is the maximum electron capacity of M shell? Maximum electron capacity of M shell has 18. Therefore we should write here 18. 18 plus 10, that is 28. 35 minus 28 means 7, and that 7 electrons lies in the anode. In this way, what is the electron configuration? 2, 8, 18 and 7. This is the electronic configuration of bromine. Okay? In this way, we can distribute the number of electrons according to shell. शेल में number of electrons कैसे होते हैं? Distribution as per number, as per sequence 2, 8, 18 and 30. Okay? If you like this video, share it, like it, subscribe my channel, press bell icon. That is why you will get the notification of latest videos. Thank you.